to Excel chapter 3 cap assessment movies. Basically, this is the third chapter of Excel section of my A10 lab course. If you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, or PowerPoint assignments, you can contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID that is mentioned at in the description of this video. My email and WhatsApp is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can have me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing and programming assignments. So I have been doing courses for students since 2015. And if you want to get A grade in this course or any other course, just contact me on WhatsApp, email, and I will do this course for you, and I will do other courses for you, and you will get A grade in your courses. You can have me throughout your degree. So I will be doing this assignment step by step in this video. So let's move to the instruction file now. Title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 3 cap assessment movies. So this is the title of the assignment, and this is the third chapter of Excel section of my A10 lab course. So at start of the instruction file, project description is given, this one. But I think this project description has nothing to do with the assignment. You can read this to get an idea about the assignment. But assignment is starting from step 1 to the end. That is the 23 steps in this assignment. And I will solve these steps, and you can follow me to do this assignment. So first step of the assignment is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp19 Excel chapter 3 cap assessment movies. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So basically it is saying that we are supposed to download the Excel workbook where we are supposed to apply all these instructions to get this assignment done. So I have already downloaded this Excel sheet, and you can download this Excel sheet from your My A10 lab dashboard. So step number 1 has nothing to do with the assignment. So we will move to step number 2 now. So step number 2 is you want to create a pie chart to show the percentages each category contributes to the monthly movie download. Select the range A5 up to A10 and F5 up to F10. Create a pie chart and move it to the chart sheet named April pie chart. So basically we are supposed to insert a pie chart, and for this pie chart we are supposed to use two data ranges. First one is A5 up to A10, and the second range is F5 up to F10. And then we are supposed to move this pie chart to a new worksheet, and that worksheet name is April pie chart. So let me select these two ranges, A5 up to A10, F5 up to F10. So first we will select these two ranges. So first one has been selected, and the second range is F5 up to F10. So to select the second range, just press and hold the control button and select the F5 up to F10. So we have selected these two ranges, and now we are supposed to insert a pie chart. So we will simply click on the insert tab and select the pie chart from here. This is the pie chart that we have inserted, and you can see that this pie chart is based on these two ranges, that is A5 up to A10 and F5 up to F10, that are given in the instructions. Now we are supposed to move this chart to a new worksheet, and that worksheet name should be April pie chart. So let me move this chart. We will simply click on the move chart and now select the new sheet option from here. and we will type April pie chart for the sheet name and click OK. So you can see that we have moved the pie chart from the data worksheet to the April pie chart. That is a new worksheet that we have just added. So that is all about step number 2, where we are supposed to insert a pie chart and move the chart to a new worksheet. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. So step number 3 is chart needs a descriptive title that is easy to read. So basically we are supposed to add a title to the pie chart that we have just created. So it is saying that type April 2021 downloads by Jenner as the chart title. Apply bold 18-point font size and black text font color to the chart title. So first we are supposed to add this as the chart title, and then we are supposed to do some formatting with the chart title. So let me add this April 2021 download by Jenner as a chart title. So April 2021 downloads by Jenner. So that is the chart title. April 2021 downloads by Jenner as a chart title. And now we are supposed to apply the bold. So go to the home tab and apply bold to this chart title. And then we are supposed to apply the 18-point font size to this chart title. And after that, black text font color for this chart title. So we are done with this one. We have added the chart title April 2021 downloads by Jenner to the chart title. So that is step number 3. So let's move to step number 4 now. So step number 4 is saying that percentage and the category data labels will provide identification information for the pie chart. Add category and the percentage data labels in the inside and position. Remove the values data label and the legend. Apply 14-point font size and black text font color. So basically we are supposed to add the data labels to the pie chart, and we can do this simply by going to the chart element. So click on it, plus sign, that is the chart element, and we are supposed to add the data labels. So click this arrow and click on more options. So now we are supposed to add the percentage, this one, and the category name, and then we will remove the values because it is given in the instruction. It is saying that add the category and the percentage data labels, this one. So I have added the category and the percentage, and we are supposed to remove that values data label. So I have removed the values from here, and it is saying that these data label position should be inside and position. So we will select the inside and position because it is mentioned in the instruction. You can see that we are supposed to add the data labels in the inside and position. After that, it is saying that apply 14-point font size and black text font color. 14-point font size and black text font color to the data labels. So you can clearly see the data labels names now and their percentages. So category name is given there and the percentage is given there because we have selected the category name and the percentages for the data labels. And after that we are supposed to remove the legend. It is saying that remove the values and data label and the legend. So now we are supposed to remove the legend. So we will click on this plus sign again, chart element and remove the legend. So there is no legend in the chart right now. So we are done with the formatting of this pie chart according to the requirements. That was step number 4. So I am doing this assignment step by step, and I think you are getting a lot of help through this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can contact me and I will be doing this assignment for you. So let's move to step number 5 now, because we have completed 4 steps so far. So step number 5, you want to focus on the comedy movies by exploding it and changing its fill color. Explode the comedy slice by 70% and apply dark red fill color. So let me look for the comedy slide. This is the comedy slide, this one. Right click on it and click on format data point. So we are supposed to explode this by 7%. So I will simply explode this by the 7%, and you can see that comedy slice has been exploded by 7%, that I have given values according to the requirement. After that, it is saying that we are supposed to apply the dark red fill color to this slice. So let me apply dark red fill color. So go to the fill and line and select fill. So solid fill, and the color should be dark red. Now you can see that I have exploded the comedy slice by 7%, and I have changed the fill color of the comedy slice to the dark red. So that is required in step number 5. Yes. So I think we have completed step number 5. And now we're gonna move to step number 6. So step number 1 is done, 2 is done, 3 is done, 4 is done, and 5 is done. So let me move to next step, that is step number 6. So it is saying that the best practice is to include all text for the accessibility compliance. Add all text, and the text is given. That is, the pie chart shows percentage of the downloads by genre for April 2021, including the period. So basically we are supposed to add this all text to the pie chart. So the pie chart shows percentages. So let me add this. So we will click outside the plot area. Right click outside the plot area, and you can see the view all text. So let me add this. The pie chart shows percentage of download by genre for April 21. For April 21. For April 2021 and a period. So the pie chart shows percentage of download for the genre for April 2021. Downloads by genre, sorry, it is by genre. So I will change it to by genre. So I have added the alt text to the chart. So we will simply save this or close this one because alt text has been added to the pie chart, and that is what required in step number 6. We were supposed to include the alt text to the pie chart. So simply close this one and close this one. So we are done with step number 6. Let me move to next step, that is step number 7. So total steps in this assignment are 22, and I am going to do step number 7 now. Next, you want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly totals and the percentages by category. So it is saying that next you want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly totals and the percentages by category. Display the data sheet, select the ranges A4 up to A10 and F4 up to F10, and then create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So we are supposed to display the data worksheet again. So this is the data worksheet, and we are supposed to select these two ranges. So first one is A4 up to A10, and the second range is F4 up to G10. So to select the second range, press and hold the control button and select the second range, that is F4 up to G10. So F4 up to G10. So you can see that I have selected the two ranges given in the instruction, that is A4 up to A10 and F4 up to G10. And now we are supposed to insert, or we are supposed to create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So we simply go to insert tab and we will go to the combo chart. So let me look for the combo chart here. Insert the combo chart is here. So we are supposed to insert a clustered column line on secondary axis. You can see the title, clustered column line on the secondary axis, and that is the chart that we are supposed to insert. Let me show you. Clustered column, this one, clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So I will simply select the clustered column line on the secondary axis. That is what is required in step number 7. So next thing to do is step number 8. Cut the chart and paste in cell A13. So I will simply cut this chart and I will paste it in A13. So now it is saying that change the height to 3.5 and the width to 6 inches. So click on it and go to the format tab. So height should be 3.5. So I will make the height to 3.5 and the width of the chart should be 6 inches, that is mentioned in the instruction. So basically we inserted a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. Mean it is a combination of two charts. And we are done with step number 8 now. So I have shown you these 8 steps completely, and I have shown you how you can do these steps on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can ask me to do this assignment for you. So I have shown you 8 complete steps, and for the remaining steps I will just give you an overview so that you can complete those steps on your own. But if you want me to do those steps for you, I can do and I can do this complete assignment for you from step 1 to the end, and you can hire me for your other assignment like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Access assignment that includes in this course. And you can make a deal for your complete course. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can hire me for your other courses like mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer sciences. So let me show you the final version for this assignment so that you can have an idea about the remaining steps. So this is the final version for this assignment, having the sparklines and this combo chart line on secondary axis that I have shown you how you can create this one. Then this is the weekly chart, weekly downloads chart. That is the April 2021 weekly downloads by the general chart, and the April 2021 download by general chart. So there are 3 charts in this assignment. April pie chart, this is the pie chart, then this one bar chart, and this is cluster column chart. So there are 3 charts. I have shown you 8 steps, but for the remaining steps I'm just showing this complete version of this assignment. This is the complete version of this assignment, but if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can hire me and you can ask me to do this assignment for you, and you can hire me for your complete course as well. So have a look to this complete and final version for this assignment. This is the final copy of this assignment. I have done this assignment hundreds of the time for many students along with the globe. I have done this course for hundreds of the time for many students. And if you want me to do this course for you, you can hire me and I will do this course for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I request you to subscribe to my channel. I request you to comment to my videos. And if you have any question, just leave a message to my WhatsApp or email, and I will be here to respond you. My email and WhatsApp is showing at the bottom of the screen. Thank you so much.